Hello children and adults, I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a new page to our project by using the Go To Page block. To do this, our story for this project is going to be that Kitten's going to move from their classroom to the library. So, first of all, we need to start and change the background. So we want initially Kitten to be in the classroom. So we're going to select the classroom background, press the tick to select it. We're then going to add a new page by using that add button on the right hand side and select a different background, which will be the library background, which is there on the top row, and press the tick button. Here we can see that in the first page Kitten is in their classroom, and in the second page they are in the library. What we do need to do, I think, is move Kitten down to the bottom of the screen in both, because otherwise they'll be walking on a table, and we don't do that at school. Right, okay, now we're going to code in the first page, not the second page. So make sure the classroom is selected. We've only got one character, so we don't need to check that. We're going to go to our yellow category first of all, and select the green flag button. Then, Then we're going to go to our blue category, and we're going to select the right move block, because we want Kitten to move right across the screen. We're then going to go to the red category. Now, where we normally use the stop block, this time we're going to use the go to page block, which will end the program, but it will end it in a different page. And here we can see that already our page 2 is selected inside of that. If we had more than one page, we could select a different page. Now, we want Kitten to move all the way across the page into the second page. So let's select our grid buttons so we know how many there are. So we are going to select 10, only because we want it to quickly to change. We could select 20 so it goes to the end. It's up to you really. We just want to demonstrate how to use the skill at the moment. So let's click on the number below the right block, and then the number pad will appear, and we'll add number 10 to it. Let's test it. Fantastic. I think actually it would look better if we get Kitten all the way to the end. So why don't we start Kitten in the middle of their classroom at number 10, and if we add 10 from there, it'll be 20, so it'll be the edge of the page, and then they will appear, actually, let's try that. Then they will appear at the far end when they go to the next page. Let's try that. Okay, brilliant stuff. There we go. So let's look at that on full screen. Fantastic. So Kitten walks from the classroom to the library. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.